Hi everyone, we're going to discuss or just show you the formulas for parametric equations of a parabola. You should be familiar with the formula for parabola here, the basic setup. This is a parabola. The green part is the parabola with a center at 0, 0, and this is one with not center, vertex at 0, 0, and the vertex would be at HK. All right. Well, here's your parametric equation corresponding for these two. And the one I have an example of goes with this one. So basically, my H would be -5 here. This would be my H. My A is 4. And on my Y, my K is 3. And my A here then would be 1. So basically, that's how the setup is. And then to solve it, we're just going to solve for t. And I'm going to look at this equation here and solve for t right here. So when I solve for t, I get y minus 3. And then I'm going to divide by 2 equals t. So I just solved for t, this equation. Now I'm going to substitute my t into that t there. So just like we did on the other one. So we're going to x equals 4 times y minus 3 over 2 squared minus 5. And I'm going to simplify this. This will be 4 times y squared minus 6y plus 9 over 4 minus 5. So basically the 4's cancel. And if I move the 5 over, I'm going to get x. I'm going to move it over. Let's see, let's do it in green. I'm going to move this 5 over, so you get x plus 5 equals, and I'm going to condense that. This will be y minus 3 squared. So we have it in this format here, and my vertex would be -5, 3. All right, and if you want to solve for y, what we're going to do is write it as y. It's up to you if you want to do that. You can write this, you square root both sides, so you get y equals square root of x plus 5, and then you add your 3. So basically, either way, you could use this one or this one. But here we have to know that x has to be greater than or equal to -5. All right? So I'm starting at -5, and I can't go smaller. So I took the liberty of graphing it here. Tried to graph it here. And now what we want to look at is the orientation. So what we want to look at is the arrowheads indicate the curve, the direction of the curve as t increases from -infinity. So as we're starting down on our y, our lowest y is in this area. So this is from -infinity down here. Whoops. We're looking at the y portion, but we're actually the t. So, or f of t. So basically, as our y's get bigger, our orientation increases. So it increases this way. And that's where your arrowheads go. So basically, the t increases from -infinity to infinity. All right? The next one we're going to do is an example of a circle. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.